Hi guys, welcome back to Curl Conversations, or welcome if this is your first time. So this episode will be all about deep conditioners, how you use them, how often you should use them, and then I'll also be listing my 5 favorites. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so my deep conditioning process is I deep condition only once a week. I wouldn't recommend anything more than that because there is a such thing as over moisturizing, and you don't ever want your hair to get over moisturized because then you can actually clog your follicles, which will prevent your hair from growing. So yeah, like I said, I do it once a week. I always pair a deep conditioner, regardless of the one that I'm using, with a Jamaican black castor oil. If you guys don't know about JBCO, please introduce it into your life and into your natural hair regimen because it works wonders with not only growing your hair but also strengthening your hair. And that's the main factor of your hair growing, is to make sure that the ends of your hair are nice and strong, and JBCO does that. So if you don't have JBCO in your life, please at least use it when you're deep conditioning. It works wonders. I do have a couple of favorites that I wanted to share with you guys. So mask number 1. This is Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Grow Hair Mask. Now I use this just like with any regular one, but I always make sure that I also use it if I'm taking down a protective style. Show you guys that one, and I'll also link all of these down at the bottom so you guys can go and purchase them if you want. Okay, the next one, my favorite, is the Mael Organics. I'm assuming that this is Babasu Oil Mint Deep Conditioner. And I love this one because it gives you like a little ting. So I use this one when my hair is itching, because sometimes I deal with dry scalp and sometimes I don't know. But if my hair's been itching like all week and I can't get my fingers out of it, I'll use this one because this really does help my dry and itchy scalp, which I do suffer from. I suffer from itchy scalp, which is why I have to oil my hair daily. So you guys can tell this is my favorite, and it's almost gone. The Hairfinity Strengthening Amino Mask. This one I don't have really just a single purpose. I need to deep condition my hair. I want something that I know I can go to and it's just going to give my hair awesome slippage, and then my curls are really going to bounce back. I will use this one. This one I think is also the most expensive. I think it's like $20 plus. So I know it's more than 20 bucks. So as much as I love it, I have to use it in moderation, which is why I'm holding on to it. But you don't need a lot. I think I've had this one since January, and I'm about halfway through, so maybe this will last me a couple more months before I have to buy another one. And then TGIN has a Honey Miracle Hair Mask. I like to use this one because honey, any kind of product that has honey in it, really is going to bring moisture back to your curls. So I normally use this one in the winter months when it's cold outside and my hair's been exposed to all the cold elements and the dry wind and yada yada yada, and I really need to put moisture back in. So this is normally like a cold weather mask. And then last but not least, this is a new one, and I was questioning whether or not it was going to be in my top 5 because I'm just like, okay, I've only used it I think maybe like 3 or 4 times. But slippage in this is the Eden Body Works. This is their new Almond Marshmallow, the split end repair mask. The slippage in this deep conditioner is the best slippage that I have ever gotten from not only a deep conditioner but also from a regular conditioner. And I don't know why. I don't know. And this is the one where I will apply heat, because I have seen the difference between me applying it and then going straight to bed, and then between me applying it and adding heat. And I only do like an hour, so I don't even have to sit under the dryer for 2 hours. I think this says, let's see, this says leave on for 40 minutes, and then for deeper absorption inside the cuticle, add heat. So I sit under this, I use this for under the dryer for an hour, and it works so well. So I'll try to use this one at least once a month, because like I said, it is a split end repair mask, so it does help make sure that the ends of your hair are nice and strong, and the ends of your hair are going to bounce back. I will use this one at least once a month because like I said, it is a split end repair mask, so it does help make sure that the ends of your hair are nice and strong, and the ends of your hair are going to bounce back. I will use this one at least once a month because like I said, it is a split end repair mask, so it does help make sure that you're not getting split ends if you don't have them. It's just basically a repair or a restore mask. So I use this one at least once a month, regardless on what's going on with my hair or what I'm doing to it, because it works really, 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 really well. So that's that. So thanks guys for tuning into this episode of Curl Conversations. If you have anything that you want me to conversate about, if you have any questions, you are welcome to leave them in the comment section. You're welcome to message me. You are welcome to DM me via Instagram. Thanks again for all the support, and I will catch you guys next Sunday. Bye. Or like I said, sitting in a single style for a while, so I'll use this one. I also use this one if I'm like straightening my hair and want to make sure that my curls are preserved. I'll use this one. So